Namaste and hello from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today, our focus will be on these four words: pass, pattern, person, pull. So let's start with the first word, pass, P-A-S-S, pass. Pass by, pass on, pass out, pass over, boarding pass, pass the test. Ancient stories pass on from one generation to another. Congratulations, Aryan, you passed the test. Sam, could you pass the butter, please? Yes, take it. The famous singer passed away in his sleep. Here, passed away means he died in his sleep. May I see your boarding pass, please? Grab the opportunities that come. Don't let the opportunities pass by. The next word is pattern. P-A-T-T-E-R-N, pattern. Same pattern, regular pattern, work pattern. Row houses are built in the same pattern. The engineers follow the work pattern to complete the work. The rug has a beautiful geometric pattern on it. We need to change our spending pattern to save money. The children set a pattern of doing homework before watching TV. The next word is person. P-E-R-S-O-N, person. Good person, in person, nice person. Reshma is a person who likes to help others. She is a nice person. Be a good person, but don't waste time to prove it. Who is that person? He is my friend Tim. He is an intelligent person. He is a lovable person. He is a very honest person. You would love to meet him. The next word is pull. P-U-L-L, pull. Pull up, pull down, pull in, pull out, pull over. Throw an object into the air and the gravity will pull it down. The gravitational pull of the moon creates tides on earth, high tides and low tides. Do come in, Raj. Pull up a chair. That means take a chair and have a seat. You look unwell. Any issues? I had a cavity in my teeth and it was so painful. I went to the dentist and got the tooth pulled out. Here it is extracting the tooth. My daughter pulled my dress. The horse is pulling a cart. So with this, we have completed another set of 20 words in Focus 4 series. So let's revise these 20 words. Less, lay, love, leave, L-E-A-V-E, leave, measure, morning, money, map, numeral, notice, order, plane, pose, product, problem, piece, pass, pattern, person, pull. I hope all of you who are listening to my videos right from the beginning are going on with the funda of listening, repeating and practicing all the words with their sentences. I am sure if you have continued your journey with me till here, you must be able to speak English in a better way now. So keep practicing, keep practicing, and you will speak English confidently in a few months. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next lesson with another set of 20 words. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.